This is the virtual tour of 926 Wescott Trail, apartment 201 here on July 31st, 2020. So we're going to come into the unit and you can see it's got a nice big kitchen. And we'll look at that here in just a second, a little closer. Plenty of cabinets. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, probably 1 3/4 apartment. It's on the 2nd floor, maybe the 3rd floor from the ground, because we got parking on the 1st floor. No elevator, but it's a nice apartment. Non-smoking. If you have to smoke, you can go on the deck. It's got a window air conditioner, as you can see. There's your panel to buzz people in. Fire extinguisher, hopefully you don't need that. There's a big closet here right when you walk in. And this is typical of all the closets in here. It's just a bar and a shelf. And that's about it on there. Mini blinds on all the windows. Everything, by the way, is bigger in real life than you see on the video. This room is about 24 feet long by 12 feet wide. Overlooks a nice apartment complex. There's a park over there. Little walking trail around the park. American flag out front, as you can see. See the kitchen from back here a little bit better. Kitchen's about 15 feet long and just about 12 feet wide again. And we'll look at all the appliances in a little more detail. Dishwasher. This is only about 6 months old, but it looks like brand new. Sink is nice and clean. Stove. A few spots on the top there. Inside, like brand new. We'll look at the refrigerator here again. A couple of sodas there while we're working. All the shelves are intact. Refrigerator works nice. And when I'm talking about things working, actually that window air keeps it nice and cold in here. It's like a meat locker in here if you leave it run. The first bathroom, it's a full bath. Push toe to stop it. Give you a shower curtain and some toilet paper. Otherwise, you got a vanity there. So we'll go to the first bedroom. There's the thermostat. Go to the first bedroom. This is the master bedroom. It's got the closet or the 3/4 bath in it. Mini blinds on the window, and it overlooks kind of a, not really a nature area, but a little woodsy area back here. You can kind of see it's nice, treed, some grass, and you're up high, so you don't have to worry about people looking in the window really. We're going to go to the 3/4 bath, and we're going to flip the light on and hear the fan. Everything is clean in here. Shower curtain. Toilet paper, and we do have a little spot to store towels. And the master bedroom, I think, is seems like it's about 14 by about 11 is what I recall. The middle bedroom, which is the smallest bedroom, I think this is only about 8 by 10. It's got a closet in there. Oh, by the way, you know, the master bedroom obviously has a closet, and that's 6 feet by 2 feet deep is the doors, and actually it's a little wider than that on the inside, so nice big closet. Nothing fancy. Closet, rack, and a rod or shelf. Like I said, the middle bedroom is about 8 by 10, overlooking that same nature area, because the window is about 10 feet apart. And once again, kind of a peaceful look out the window. Got a closet in here. Those doors, I believe, are 3 feet by whatever, and then it's 2 feet deep. Maybe, yeah, that's what it is. The third bedroom. This one here is a little bit longer. It's about the same length as the master bedroom, so 13 or 14, and about 9 feet wide, as I recall, overlooking the mini blinds on the window, overlooking the nature area. We'll come back around here. There's the closet, 6-foot wide closet doors. The closet's a little wider than the doors and 2 feet deep. Shelf and a rod. Decent carpet in here still. This closet here is the utility closet. You got a furnace, new furnace by the way, it's about a year old, and then you got a water heater. So that's how this goes. There's the bathroom again, and we'll look back at the central air. Then we're going to come back through the kitchen, do one more pan through the kitchen. Lots of cabinets, center island, outlet on the center island. And that, everyone, is the virtual tour of 926 Wescott Square, apartment 201, here on the 31st of January, I'm sorry, 31st of July, 2020. If this is January, Minnesota, it wouldn't look like that, I can tell you that. But July 31st, 2020, 926 Wescott Trail, apartment 201, Eagan, Minnesota, 55123.